Warning, some viewers may find the following footage
extremely delicious, and it may entice you to eat your screen. But please don't, folks, as this is just the start. Wait until you see lunch and dinner and snacks in between. Hello, we're B&T, and our mission is showing you how to cook all of these flavorful foods from frugal to fancy using what you got. We all know, as busy as life gets, we still gotta eat, and dining out ain't cheap. Why keep burning through money for the same fake food that has only doubled in price for the same crap from years ago? For what you're paying, you deserve to be getting real food with flavor and love like this. With us, never run out of inspiration when it comes to cooking or baking. You drooling, huh? It's okay if you are. We understand times have changed, labor, turnover, and cleanliness is not the same when going out, but it doesn't have to be when you're cooking at home. $20 for fast food? That only feeds you once. And cookbooks collect dust and only have so many recipes. Get a forever growing digital library of cooking lessons available 24/7 at your fingertips that feeds you for life. Don't believe us? Check out all of our quick and easy frugal meals and subscribe for free on our YouTube channel. And when you're ready to de-stress and bring the family together, come join us for endless meal content with a splash of music, dancing, and some fun along the way while still focusing only on you and the food, so you can be the best home cook possible.
Be sure to stay tuned. We're excited to support you with your cooking experience and cannot wait to celebrate your growth in the kitchen.